Hi, stop scrolling for a second. Something that really makes me frustrated in a good way. 3 really good university in Sweden. This is based on my perspective. Kalau teman-teman punya universitas-universitas lain yang ada di Swedia juga, bisa komen di kolom komentar di bawah ini ya. Good university in Sweden, there are Lund University, Stockholm University, and Uppsala University. Why I'm bringing them in this video? You know exactly, because the reason is that Indonesian students can actually apply. And of course, with real scholarship, and I think almost nobody talk about it. So today I'm going to tell and also share you about 3 of them because I don't want you to miss this opportunity, and also this door has been open all along. And also because for Indonesian students, the door is already open. You just need to know which door you need to knock. Anyway, welcome back to Mom with the Stars. I'm your scholarship, study plan, and also education consultant, where I help and guide you to find the best opportunity, start your scholarship, and also universities that really perfect in your current situations. So without further ado, let's get started. Disclaimer, I'm not here to hyping something. I'm just sharing what I found because I think it's worth it to share. Sweden? Really? Why? And here's why it deserves your attention. Okay, let's go dive in. First, we start with Lund University. Do you know that Lund University is ranked in top 100 university in the world? And it's really strong, right? So, what makes this Lund University special for us as Indonesian students? So, Lund University has an agreement, official agreement with LPDP. Have you heard about LPDP? LPDP itu adalah salah satu program beasiswa yang sangat populer di Indonesia. Kalau teman-teman belum pernah mungkin mendengar mengenai program beasiswa LPDP, bisa langsung dicek video aku sebelumnya yang ini dan bisa kembali ke sini lagi. That means applying through LPDP to Lund, it's a supported and legitimate path. But also Lund University also have their own scholarship program, the Lund University Global Scholarships, which can cover your part or even full tuition fee. The process is really straightforward. You just apply to the website from them that they provide, universityadmissions.se, then apply for scholarship. But you know what is more important than that? The crucial and also the most important is writing your motivation letter that explain why you want this scholarship and what are you going to do with the scholarships. What is your plan after you finish this scholarship program? Next is Stockholm University. If you choose Stockholm University, which means you're going to study in a capital city, which means they are beautiful, they are modern, and also Stockholm University offers scholarships that can cover full tuition fee from students outside of the Sweden, including Indonesian students. How cool is that, huh? But at the same time, you can also combine scholarship with another scholarship. You can combine with Swedish institute scholarships. Okay, next, third, Uppsala University. This university really like a game changer for me. I mean, I have my favorite university for the whole time, but this university break the wall. This one is special, and this one also the oldest university in the Scandinavian, founded in 1477. Anyway, the window application is really short, so you are really need to be ready when it's open. I want to add something, just the big one. Why? Because the Swedish Institute scholarship for global professionals. This program actually from Swedish government. So you can use it in Lund, Stockholm, and also Uppsala University, or even any university in Sweden. There are covers for tuition fee too, monthly living allowance, travel grant, and it's eligible for Indonesian students, of course. Don't worry, Indonesia is an eligible country to apply in this scholarship program. And the secret is you need to be more faster. You need to move faster because the application only opens for 2 weeks in February. So if you don't know, you're going to miss it. But here's the simple truth. Sweden is not impossible dream. It's possible for you to apply to their programs provided by university, but also you can apply for the scholarship program that provided by Swedish government. So probably if you're wondering, I cannot go to Sweden. Yes, you can. You know what? There are good scholarship, good university. For Indonesian students, this is the right time for you to get the opportunity that is already offered to you and the door is already open, but sometimes we just miss it a little bit. And for me, from my point of view as a scholarship study planner and also education consultant, at this moment, I think you don't have to be perfect. The only thing that you need to start right now is open your mind and start to research, start to ask, or even start to comment down below in my video. So if you are students or parents who are really curious about Sweden, or probably you want to study abroad, or even want to still study here in Indonesia, you are in the right place. So get this opportunity to you and start browsing, start research, start to reach me on DMs on my Instagram, atau bisa juga tulis Sweden or study abroad di video aku kali ini. So I hope this information could be able to open your mind a little bit, and you start curious, because that's the fun part. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and take care. I will see you in my next video. Be kind, everyone. Tschüss.